Good day everyone, I am Darlene Hiwasa and I will explain to you the states of matter. It was explained to us that matter has weight and can occupy space. But did you know what are the states of matter? It is solid, liquid, and gas. These are the three common states of matter. Gases, liquids, and solids are made up of microscopic particles, but the behaviors of these particles differ in the three phases. They are made up of microscopic particles because they are composed of tiny particles that can be seen on microscope. And let's proceed to the differences of these three states of matter. The following figure illustrates the microscopic differences. The first one is the microscopic view of a gas. It is well separated with no regular arrangement. It can also move freely. The second one is the microscopic view of a liquid. It is close together with no regular arrangement. It was close to each other, but still it can move that much. The third one is the microscopic view of a solid. It is tightly packed, usually in a regular pattern. In the illustration, you can see the pattern and the arrangement was pretty bonded to each other. The example of solids are books, glass, box, rocks, tables, and all objects that can be touched, has a weight and occupy a space. The bigger the object, the bigger it can occupy space. And did you know that ice is a solid, but it can be a liquid if it will melt? And one of the example of liquid is water. As you can see at the illustration, the particles has no arrangement, so it can still move. It is best explained why you can't hold the water in a long time. But water has a weight, usually if we put it in a container. One of the example of gas is the air. For example, if we blow a balloon, the air from our mouth makes the balloon expand, and it is the evidence that the air can occupy a space. The illustration best explains why we can touch the air but we can feel it, because the particles are not intact and it can move freely. And that are the states of matter: the solid, the liquid, and the gas. I hope you understand the three states of matter. But before that, take note that particles in a gas are well separated with no regular arrangement. Particles in a liquid are close together with no regular arrangement. Particles in a solid are tightly packed, usually in a regular pattern. Particles in a gas vibrate and move freely at high speeds. Particles in a liquid vibrate, move about, and slide past each other. Particles in a solid vibrate, jiggle, but generally do not move from place to place. And liquids and solids are often referred to as condensed phases because the particles are very close together. I hope you understand the three states of matter because matter matters. Thank you for listening.